how to fix TEKKEN 7 lag, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TEKKEN 7 lag, easy and quick. First, all you need to do just go to settings here and then go to privacy. Now scroll down until you find background apps, and now just all those applications here, turn it off just by turning off this one here, the first one. And now go back, go to system. Here you will find the notifications. Also turn it off, you'll find it like that, turn it off. And now close applications that you don't need here, exit, and that's it. Just turn off all the applications that you don't need, and then try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.